Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while again, but I'm back here with you. I think I have like 21 meal ideas here, dinner ideas, cheap and yummy and better than any takeout. And I'm just introducing the video here with some beautiful little lambs that I spotted in a field as I went for a little walk, and I couldn't resist taking a video of them. So I thought this would be a nice introduction to our meals. So cheap, yummy, better than takeout meals. I'm just going to tell you as each video comes up what I prepared that day. Here is an omelette with some salad and some fries or chips, whatever part of the world you're in, and a little bit of garlic bread. Here is spaghetti bolognese, Fiona style, no giving out. It mightn't look like spaghetti bolognese you get in a restaurant, but yeah, I just used some beef mince, some veg, some bolognese sauce and some spaghetti. That wasn't homemade spaghetti, but I have been known to make homemade spaghetti. And here I have some, well, it's in inverted commas bacon and cabbage, but it's actually leftover Christmas ham from the freezer with potatoes, white sauce, carrots and peas, and it was very tasty. I have still a few dinners left of that ham, the Christmas ham, so it was well worthwhile buying the cooked ham and slicing it up and using what we needed for Christmas and then saving the rest in the freezer. Here is some homemade vegetable soup with brown bread and a slice of cheese if you want it, and yes, I wanted it, and it was really good soup. I'm really getting into the habit of making soup, usually on Wednesdays. Here is mince and potatoes. So it's practically the same as the spaghetti bolognese, except I use beef stock and some gravy with my mince and veg, and then just serve it over some nice mashed potatoes. Here is a toasted, it's a tuna melt toastie with a cup of tea, some nachos, some crisps, whatever you want to put with it, and then some salad on the side as well. This was a Friday dinner. We try not to have meat on Fridays, and we usually end up with some sort of fishy dinner. Here is tagliatelle, a chicken tagliatelle. It was one of these recipes that pop up on your phone on Instagram Shorts. So it was a delicious creamy chicken and pasta tagliatelle dinner. And that's some parmesan sprinkled on top. It's a quick and easy sausage and chips dinner with some coleslaw. Yeah, a quick and easy midweek dinner. Yes, I deep fried the sausages, and there's onions and mushrooms there as well. Sometimes you just need some comfort food, and that was a day where we had it. Here's another homemade soup. This time it's tomato soup with parmesan sprinkled on top as well. And there is usually some brown bread served. Yes, and there's the cheese. So that was another Wednesday dinner. Quick and easy, and you get to use up whatever you have in your fridge. But I used tins of tomatoes that day, and I usually add in a carrot, an onion, and with some whatever veg I need to use up as well. Here's a homemade pizza. My son Daniel did homemade pizza for his home economics practical for his junior cert, so he was practicing at home as well. And so this is one of the days that we had homemade pizza at home with some chips and coleslaw. No, that's not the lamb from the field, but yes it is. It's spring lamb. This was actually the day after Easter Sunday, so I was using up some more leftover lamb, and there was some of the leftover roast potatoes from the day before, so I didn't have to put on a lot for that day, but we got to use up our lamb and it was absolutely delicious. Here is another Friday. We have some salmon cutlets served with mash and homemade hollandaise sauce. This was a birthday dinner request, Rachel's birthday, her 14th birthday, and she requested chicken and mushroom vol au vents. So we had them with some chips and garlic bread. This was her birthday dinner. Oh, here's more chips. These are all, I just recorded them as the month went along. We don't have chips every single day. But this was a day with burger, beef burger, homemade fries, and some salad. Oh my goodness, there's more chips. Yeah, it really looks like we're having a lot of chips. I'll have to be more careful how I edit these videos. This is some delicious sirloin steak with veg and chips and coleslaw, and this would have been a weekend dinner. My husband cooked, and it was delicious. We gave up steak for Lent, one of the things we gave up for Lent. So this was a post-Lent dinner. Here are meatballs and spaghetti and meatballs. Let's call it that, because that's what it is. The spaghetti and meatballs. Yummy. Let's hope there isn't chips coming up in the next one. We need a break. Here we go. Yes. What do you call those things? No, they're not fajitas. Quesadillas. Quesadillas with the different filling. Actually, I was using up some cooked meat from the fridge. So from the freezer, there was some bits of chicken, some bits of beef. So yeah, I made different quesadillas and served with salad. Oh no, there they are again. This was another midweek comfort dinner from another week. And it was chicken wings and those little, what do you call those little chicken legs? Drumsticks. And actually we got to eat outside because the sun was shining. Here's a lovely healthy salad with no chips to be seen. It was a ham salad served outside again because there was a warm day. Miraculous. We've actually had a few warm days now in the last week. And oh, we're back to some spaghetti bolognese. Just to finish up, why not? So thank you all for joining me in my kitchen. There might be one more salad coming up here now in a second. It's great to come on here and spend some time with you. So let me know in the comments, what have you been having for dinner? Here is a tuna salad. Actually, that's yesterday's dinner. And I served it with some pita pockets. And so we just stuffed them up ourselves and enjoyed. It was lovely. God bless. Bye.